Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brett Ferguson, Realtor, coming to you guys with another video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel because this one is very important. So if you're coming to Delaware, whether you're looking to move to Wilmington or to Dover or even down by the beaches, health care and dental care and other health care services are going to be very important. So this video, I'm going to give you guys your one-stop shop example and one-stop shop video on where and how to look for service providers. All right, guys, so let's get into how to look for healthcare here in Delaware. Okay, guys, so first, let's talk about primary doctors or primary healthcare providers. So here in Delaware, we have about three major systems: the Christiana Care Health System, the Bay Health Hospital System, and the BB Healthcare System, which actually might have some title in there. So what you do want to look for is Christiana Healthcare. They are the largest healthcare provider and the only Trauma One unit center here in Delaware. You can go on places like Healthcare or ZocDoc to get more information about the Christiana Care Health System. They also just acquired some outposts or some medical walk-ins and other emergency centers in the Delaware Valley area. So definitely check out the Christiana Healthcare, the Christiana Care Health System. And if you're in Kent County, you're essentially going to be going to Bay Health. They do have two locations, which is going to be the Dover campus or the Kent campus, and they also have a Sussex campus. So those are going to be your primary healthcare providers for primary doctors for the most part here in Delaware. Make sure you check out ZocDoc. That is a great place you can go to get information on these systems, these healthcare systems, and to set up appointments. All right, guys, so number two next is going to be dental. When you are moving to a new state, especially like Delaware, you want to make sure you know where to look for dental providers and which ones are the best or which ones are closest to your area. So in Delaware, we have three counties, and if you're in the Newcastle County area, you'll be very familiar with the Pulaski Highway location of Aspen Dental. They do have an urgent care, so you can go there if you have an emergency dental if you're in the Newcastle County area. Here in Delaware, you can get medical walk-in for dental services, but if you need to make an appointment that's inside of your insurance coverage, you can look at Mercer Seidel, or you can look into Dover Dental and Cosmetic Facility as well here in Dover. Now, if you're in the Sussex County area, I would check out Breakwater Dental. They have flexible hours, a great team, and they're in the Sussex County area, so that will cover the beaches and other areas like Seaford and Georgetown. So dental is very important, and if you have other specifics on whether you want to get further, deeper, more specialized dental services, you can check out the American Dental Association's database of businesses here in Delaware that will help you out with dental. So that's dental. Okay, guys, so number three is going to be mental health and psychological services that you may need if you move to Delaware. So one of the things that I always say is there's a difference between mental health and psychological services. They are or therapists. Some of them are deeper than others, but Mental Edge Counseling is a really great place to start if you're going to be in the Kent County area. They have an array of therapists that you can speak with, and they also take an array of healthcare providers. So definitely check them out. If you're in the Newcastle County area, I do know clients who have gone to Brandywine Mental Health Services. This is one that you can definitely check out. They will be able to help in those areas if you need to get mental health counseling here in the state of Delaware. These are going to be really great options to start out with, and you can always check out things like BetterHelp that will be able to get you online services here in Delaware. Just make sure that your insurance provider does cover those. Okay, guys, so now for medical walk-in services, this is for those nicks, those quick breaks, those things that happen every single day, and you want to get an urgent care walk-in services. Here in Kent County, we have three major ones. Of those three, two of those are going to be with the Christiana Healthcare System. You've got the Christiana Go medical walk-in services that are at two locations. You've got one at the Eden Hill medical walk-in on Banning Road, and you've also got another on South DuPont Highway as if you're going south of Dover going into Camden. Now, the next one is going to be Bay Health. They do have their medical walk-in, which is going to be at the Blue Hen Mall entrance. So if you go to the Blue Hen Mall, well, here in Delaware, in Dover, we had the Blue Hen Mall, but now it's a medical center. So if you go to the Blue Hen Mall Medical Pavilion, you'll know where that is if you move here, and you will have those services for medical walk-in. Now, last, let's say if you are not insured and you're not covered here in the state of Delaware, there are various access points, including myself as a realtor, that can give you information on who to reach out to for health care coverage. We have an array of healthcare providers. So if you don't have healthcare and you're moving to the state of Delaware, please make sure to let me know so that I can refer you to several different programs that may help you with that. You may want to check out choosehealthde.com. That would be a great place to start so that you can get all the information needed and to see how you can get affordable coverage. Okay? So that's everything for today, guys. If you're moving to the state of Delaware, you now have a starting point on where to get primary health care, dental, mental, and medical walk-in. These are the 4 most important aspects of getting started on your healthcare journey here in Delaware. I'll be here to help if you need anything. So please make sure you reach out to me, Bert Ferguson, Realtor, 302-204-1347. And I'm with the Rush Home team of Compass. All right, guys, take care. And make sure you like and subscribe too. Thanks. Bye.